Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I will be swatching and reviewing the 10 new Catrice Cosmetics Gel Affair nail lacquer polishes. So I actually looked it up extra this time. These are definitely their fall winter 2025 collection update polishes because I was actually in the wrong with the Essence one. I just recently uploaded my swatch and review video of. Those were actually from summer already, even though they were like marketed as new here, or at least where I am from. So yeah, sorry about that. I actually did order the 4 new colors, or at least 3 of the 4 new colors from the Essence collection, but the 4th one was not available at the moment, so I have to go check in like physical stores to see if it's already in stores to get it and to actually do a review on them. But let's get back to these because these are 10 new shades by Catrice Cosmetics. These are regular nail polishes, even though the name says gel in it. If the bottle is see-through, you can actually see the color of polish. It is a regular nail polish because if it was a gel, it would have been fully cured already in the bottle because UV light, stuff like that, cures gel polishes. So yeah, these are regular nail polishes. I get these questions so often that I just have to put it out there. But this first one I've already swatched right here is called Cosmo Where is Wanda. I really love that. Quite referencing to Fairly Godparents, I think it is. I really love this. I love pinks. It's just a strawberry milkshake kind of pink, and it was completely opaque within one coat. Like, I kid you not, it was insane. Most of the Catrice polishes are actually one coaters, I have noticed. This one, Double Shot Diva number 39, definitely needed a second coat. Now looking back to onto the footage, but I have only applied one coat to show you what it's capable of, and I have to mention that when I was recording this video and swatching this color, it didn't really catch my eye as much, that it was still a little streaky and a little patchy. Within that first coat, like to the naked eye, it looked like pretty decent. But looking back into the footage, it definitely needed a second coat to make it completely opaque. Also, there was like a hair in my nail polish. I think one of my cats dropped a hair somewhere around my nail desk, which happens because they go everywhere. So yeah, please ignore that and enjoy the nice dark chocolatey brown color that it is. Then next up, number 40, Copacabana. Catrice always comes out with bomb, super nice metallic-y shimmery kind of colors, which are actually really cool to do some stamping nail art with as well, because they tend to be highly pigmented, and this one was as well. It is a coppery golden, very rich looking metallic-y, oh, beautiful shimmery polish. There's like a ton of shimmery pigment in here, but the upside of those is that you don't have to scrub it off like a glitter polish. These are actually easy to remove off of your nails afterwards as well. And yeah, it's just really beautiful, very rich, perfect for fall. Definitely one of those colors you can do like a pumpkin design with or something. Yeah, really nice. Next up is Spill the Teal. This color actually reminded me of one of those Holo Taco colors, which actually was in their tea box inspired collection from a while ago. I think the name was something with teal as well, but yeah, once again, it is super opaque. Look at that with one coat. It's completely opaque. It is gorgeous. It is stunning. It is a very dark foresty green with a little bit of blue in there, hence the teal name. Yeah, I actually like it, even though green is my least favorite nail polish color to wear. This one is just so creamy. It is so opaque. There's not much reason for me to not like that polish, you know. But yeah, a little extra information, by the way, these polishes go for $2.95 if I'm correct. They're actually quite inexpensive. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, and they are safe to use as well. You can get them at drugstores or maybe even order them online. Yeah, I'm really happy with Catrice Cosmetics, and I've been for 2 decades already, or at least 15 years, I have to say. Yeah, I have quite a big nail polish collection when it comes to Catrice Cosmetics. Yeah, I just really like it. This next one is called 50 Shades of Grayish, by the way. It's one of those colors that it doesn't really do much for me personally. I feel like it doesn't really match my skin tone that well, but it is a really nice color to have in your collection if you do a lot of like hand painted nail art, for example. Once again, it is super opaque, even though it is a lighter, like beigey, greyish kind of color. Yeah, I'm definitely not disappointed. This next one, number 43, Cranberry Jam, is actually one of my favorites from this like new fall 2025 release. It is so rich. It definitely makes me think of like cherry pies or something like that. I don't know. It's in my opinion a delicious color. And once again, it is super opaque. I kid you not. It is so rich. It is so creamy. It is just, oh, I love it. I love it so much. It is definitely one of those reds that will be perfect for fall, but also for Christmas season, like the holiday season, at the end of the year. I think it's just a beautiful, beautiful color. One thing you want to keep in mind with colors that are this highly pigmented is to always wear a good base coat so your nails don't get stained, and of course the polish has something to grip onto and hang on to, so it actually lasts a longer period of time. This next one, 44, Sparkle Like It's Midnight, it reminds me a lot of I Wear My Sunglasses at Night by Catrice, which is like a 15-year-old nail polish, but I love that one so much. It has kind of like a similar shimmer to it that this one has as well. And yeah, it's really, really good, as you can see right here. I do feel if you want to have like a super, even more deep kind of looking color, go for a second coat, but this first one, like, seriously, Catrice, what are you doing? How can you make polishes that are this good for that low of a price of not even €3 a bottle? It's crazy. It is super beautiful. The shimmer in here, it's like green, there's like purple in there. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's definitely giving me galaxy vibes, so it will be great to use as a backdrop for a galaxy inspired nail art as well. Next up, another one of my favorites. I just love warm, like sunflower kind of yellow colors like this one. This one is called Dijon Drama, and it definitely is a mustardy kind of yellow, but not like a true mustard in my opinion. I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit... I don't know. Maybe the mustard here in the Netherlands is just a little bit of like a weirder shade. So maybe you're like, girl, this is like one-on-one mustard where I'm from. But here in the Netherlands, I feel like the mustard is a little bit more yellowy. I don't know. I don't know. Once again, definitely super opaque. This is once again just one coat. Just look how beautiful it is, and especially for a yellow, which tend to be quite sheer and a little patchy. Oh, spot on once again. Going back into like the metallic polishes that I was raving about a little earlier, and how Catrice always makes super good metallic polishes that are great for stamping. This is another one that is great for stamping nail art. Also, just wearing it on its own, it's beautiful. It's called 46 Blue Moon Magic, and it kind of reminds me of like a denim jeans or like a jeans jacket kind of color. Really nice. Do make sure to not overwork this polish because it is a little streaky because of the like metalliciness going on in here. But yeah, once again, super opaque within that first coat. I feel like maybe a second coat would make it look even more perfect and more like flush, if you know what I mean. But for a first coat, once again, I am so not disappointed with this fall 2025 collection update. They are stunning, seriously, and I really do like the new bottles, even though they are completely different from what they were like for the last like 10 years. So yeah, the caps actually have a nice click to it. So if you like screw the cap back on there, you feel and hear a little click, and then you know the polish is definitely closed off good. That is something that I really love, and I've heard multiple people raving about that. Even though the bottles are aesthetically not the same as they used to be, I'm not hating on the new like packaging. This next one is 47 Deep Woods Spell, and once again, even though it is a green, I think this is one of my favorite greens in life. It is so dark and foresty and mossy and kind of like dark forest fairy, I don't know. It's beautiful. I really think it's a beautiful color, and again, in one coat. Like, what are you doing to me, Catrice? These polishes are the bomb. Like, this is the shit, if you know what I mean. I really love it. And yeah, they are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are safe to use, they are super inexpensive. And yeah, definitely let me know what you think about these colors. Did you pick up any yourself? Which one is your favorite? I really love the red. I love like the black. I love the mustardy kind of color, and of course the green at the end. Oh, gorgeous. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you next time.